Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a virtual tour of the stunning island of Mallorca, Spain. Get ready to discover the best things to do, from exploring picturesque villages to relaxing on beautiful beaches. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and must-visit attractions that make Mallorca a dream destination for travelers. Let's dive in and explore the beauty of Mallorca together. Mallorca is a gorgeous Mediterranean island with beautiful weather, stunning scenery, and delicious cuisine. The largest of the Balearic Islands, Mallorca is part of Spain but has a more rugged landscape and otherworldly quality. Rocky mountains and lush wooded hillsides fall steeply down to the sea. Discover the best places to visit with our list of the top attractions and things to do in Mallorca. Number 7. The cultured capital city of Palma de Mallorca. The seaside capital city of Palma de Mallorca dazzles you with its alluring Mediterranean setting and abundance of cultural attractions. Two impressive monuments, the cathedral and the castle, give this city the prestige of other capitals in Europe. The monumental Cathedral de Mallorca overlooks the old harbor and appears from a distance as a beacon of faith. You are awed by the 600 square meter interior of the cathedral, with its aisled nave rising to a height of 44 meters. Splendid stained glass windows, including several rose windows, illuminate the sanctuary with an ethereal glow. Much of the interior was remodeled by famous Catalan architect Antoni Gaudí in the early 20th century. In the cathedral's Capella Real, Gaudí's gigantic baldachin is shaped like a crown of thorns. The Capilla de la Trinidad contains the sarcophagi of Kings Jaime II and III. You may visit the cathedral Monday through Saturday. Admission requires a ticket and includes an audio guide. Guided tours are available on Saturdays. From the terrace on the south side of the cathedral, you can admire a magnificent view of the bay. Number 6. The port town of Pollença. Pollença is known for its bustling port and beautiful bay of mesmerizing deep blue seas. In the shadow of the Pollença and Calvary Mountains, the charming medieval town has two important churches. Our Lady of Angels is the town's 18th century parish church, built on the site of a 13th century church. From the Nuestra Señora de los Angeles Church, a cypress-lined staircase of 365 steps leads up the Iglesia de Puig del Calvari, a Baroque pilgrimage chapel. The historic center of town is only steps away from the beaches. A popular family-friendly resort is the Port de Pollença. This gorgeous white sand beach features an expansive shoreline and moderate waves. The beach has cafes, restaurants, a yacht club, water sports rentals, public toilets, and showers. Sun parasols and lounge chairs are available for rent. Cala Millor is an isolated beach in a remote, protected location, accessible by foot or boat. The shore is gravelly rather than sandy. Both Cala and Gosalba, or Port de Pollença beaches, are ideal for scuba diving. Number 5. Cala Figuera. Cala Figuera is a charming fishing village with a laid-back vibe. The town's whitewashed houses are clustered around a hillside that reaches the waterfront. Here, many local fishermen take care of their daily task of mending nets. At the earliest hours of the morning, the fresh catches of the day arrive at the docks, ready to be sold at the market and then prepared into delicious seafood dishes. As expected of a seaside town, Cala Figuera offers a great selection of seafood restaurants that serve fresh local fish. Along the harbor, a scenic walking path follows the water's edge and then leads up into the cliffs. Rewarding views of the bay make the journey worthwhile. For summertime recreation, a popular place to visit is 4 kilometers south of Cala Figuera at Cala Santanyí. This family-friendly beach is prized for its sandy shoreline, calm, crystal-clear waters, and well-organized facilities. Things to do include swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving. Number 4. Alcúdia's Old Town. The picturesque town of Alcudia has a distinct old-world ambience, with its winding medieval streets and palatial Renaissance mansions. This wonderfully preserved walled medieval town is also known for its delicious cuisine and traditional festivals. The town lies a distance from the sea and was fortified to protect against pirates that were a danger during the Middle Ages. Of the ancient ramparts, only the Zara and Palma gates and the Renaissance-era bastion of Sant Ferran remain. Important churches include Santa Anna and Sant Jaume, and the Baroque chapel of Sant Crist, with a 15th century image of Christ. Alcudia also has archaeological sites, as the town was built on the site of an ancient Roman settlement. Remains of Roman houses, a forum, and an amphitheater lie to the south of Sant Jaume Church. Several interesting tourist attractions are found outside the town. A great place for birdwatching, the Parc Natural de S'Albufera de Mallorca attracts more than 200 species of birds throughout the year. Number 3, Puerto Portals. This glamorous seaside resort on the southwest coast of Mallorca is a favorite destination of the Spanish royal family and other trend-setting visitors. As you would expect of a fashionable seaside resort, upscale restaurants and designer boutiques line the waterfront of the yacht-filled marina. Flashy cars add to the scene. Many of the cafes and restaurants have outdoor patios to soak up the sunshine and the scenery. Top choices include Restaurant Flanagan, which serves Mediterranean cuisine, Rizzi, a happening spot that offers live entertainment, By Ben, a restaurant with a Michelin-starred chef, and the Cappuccino Grand Cafe, which has fabulous terrace seating beneath shady umbrellas. Number 2, Port de Soler. This lovely old fishing village is tucked away behind mountains and an idyllic valley, an expanse of olive groves and citrus orchards that extends from the historic town of Soler to the sea. The Port de Soler has a picturesque marina filled with many small boats and yachts. Traveling here from Palma de Mallorca, you can take the Ferrocarril de Soler. The scenic train ride travels through the Sierra de Alfabia Mountains. The Palma Soler Railway dates back to 1912. The Ferrocarril de Soler Company also operates a tram route from Port de Soler to Soler, a charming historic town that's definitely worth visiting. This route travels through picturesque citrus orchards in the Valley of the Oranges. Number 1, Arta's picturesque historic town. The historic town of Arta is tucked into a valley that flourishes with almond, olive, and fig orchards. The mountains of Arta provide a lovely backdrop with the rolling hills extending into the distance. In fact, Arta derives its name from the Arabic word for garden. From the town's parish church, the Iglesia de Transfiguración del Señor, a cypress-shaded avenue leads up to the hilltop, where a fortress and the Santuario de San Salvador chapel stand overlooking the town and the verdant countryside. Arta still has the remains of its ancient ramparts, which seem to dominate the town, and many palatial old manor houses, such as Nabadlesa, which today is home to the municipal library. Outside of Arta is the archaeological site Eses Paises, the Monasterio de Santa Maria de Belpuy, the 17th century Franciscan convent of Sant Antoni de Padua, and the Ermita de Betlem, surrounded by a rugged landscape of scrubland and rocky hills.